Imagine having a smart assistant that can help you write emails, plan your day, learn new skills, and even organize your daily tasks. That is exactly how millions of people are using ChatGPT today. But how can beginners use it in everyday life? Let's find out. Hello everyone, welcome to Riaz Academy. In today's video, we will learn some examples and practical ways to use ChatGPT in daily life. Let's begin. ChatGPT is an AI assistant that understands and generates text. It can help you write, learn, plan, and solve everyday problems. Think of it as a helpful digital assistant, not a replacement for your own thinking. Here are 5 simple ways to use ChatGPT. First, learning. Ask it to explain difficult topics in simple language. Second, writing. It can help you write emails, letters, or short reports. Third, planning. Use it to create study plans, daily schedules, or travel checklists. Fourth, language learning. Practice English conversations, grammar, or vocabulary. Fifth, generating ideas. It can suggest topics for presentations, projects, or YouTube videos. Imagine you have to prepare for an important exam. You can ask ChatGPT to explain difficult chapters, create a study timetable, and generate practice questions. Instead of replacing your learning, it helps you learn more effectively. ChatGPT is a helpful assistant, but it is not always correct. Always verify important information, especially for studies, health, or financial decisions. Human judgment is still essential. Remember, the best way to use ChatGPT is to make it your learning partner, not your thinking partner. When humans and AI work together, better results are often possible. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Riaz Academy. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.